All right, welcome everyone, and this is your expectations or instruction for the chapter 1 activity. So when you go on your content page, here's your content page, and you see the read me first for chapter 1. This video will also be uploaded over here. Okay, so let's click on this. Once again, remember that it is due by March the 10th, 11:30 p.m. But your own post or the initial post is due by Thursday, March 7th, because then there would be no discussion if everybody just post their responses by 10th. So you're going to be doing a discussion board, but it is different in the sense it is a Flipgrid discussion board. You guys have already done one, so you should be good, but let's go through this. It is for 50 points. For this assignment, you are going to interview one person that you know is an educator or related to the education field. It could be a family member or a friend with experience in education field, but you cannot interview anyone from your class or any of your professors. So you cannot really do, I would like you to focus more on the K-12 education system than on higher education system, but let's see how that works out. This is for, you're going to explain it to them that this is for a school assignment. If they prefer to be identified, if they prefer not to be identified, then you're going to use a pseudonym for their name and workplace. They may read your initial response if they choose, and you will explain their experience with education. So these are your two questions. Are teachers born or made? What do you think? Can we consider teaching to be a profession? What is your opinion? After you do the interview, you're going to create a video on Flipgrid, 3 minutes maximum, talking about their responses. So this video is going to have 3 different things. First is going to be the interviewer's name, pseudonym, whatever it is, workplace experience, relationships. Second would be the interviewer's opinion on the interview questions. And then lastly would be your own opinion. You may agree, and if you agree, why do you agree? Or if you disagree, why do you disagree? So explain those things. So as you can see, the distribution of points over here, and then the response to the two peers is 10 points each, which is 5 points each, 10 points, plus another 4 points for audibility, clarity, and high quality. And making your responses to be, when I say high quality, is making them to be substantial. So this is the grading. So how are you going to do the Flipgrid? You all know about it, but let's go over it one more time. So you click on this direct link, which takes you to directly to the Flipgrid opinion and post, interview and opinion post. The same thing over here is given. I am going to press, and then I'm going to sign in here. And here is where you see. So when I press the record button, it's going to start recording. Okay, I'm going to adjust my camera a bit. So this is a recording for the interview, for the activity for chapter 1. You are interviewing one person, giving them a pseudonym if they don't want to be identified. You're talking about their experience, their workplace, all those things, and then ask them those 2 questions. Share their responses and then share your responses. And don't make your responses to be just one sentence or one word. I agree. But explain as to why you agree, or if you disagree, as to why you disagree. Same thing, I'm done with this post, so then I'm gonna stop it. So this is a recording for the interview, for the act. And then here, if you want to snap a selfie, okay, I'm gonna flash this one. If you want to add an emoji, and you submit it, and that's it. And then the same thing is when you click on the video. So this is a Here is where the reply button is to reply to your
Calling
peers.
for the interview.
Reply to your peers. Everything is the same as your introduction one. All right, so I'm going to see how you all do, and I am interested in hearing all the responses, and let's see what everyone comes up with.